It seems like Google has an app for everything. From watching videos and checking your email to keeping track of your upcoming appointments and controlling the lights in your house, you probably rely on Google for dozens of things every single day. Google Voice is one of their more unknown apps, but whether you need a secondary number or just a temporary number to hand out to your friends and family, it's the best option online today. To get a number with Google Voice, start by heading to voice.google.com while logged into your Google account. Then look for the settings gear on the Voice homepage. Your settings page should immediately load into Account, and this is where you can get started with your brand new Google Voice number. Look for the option to choose a voice number, then hit Choose. Google Voice will prompt you to start by finding the right area code. Once you've selected your area code, you'll see a full list of available phone numbers you can select from, along with the city those numbers are based out of. Select the city of your choice, then continue on to the next screen. Next, you'll need to verify your current phone number by entering your phone number into Google Voice. Once you receive your verification text, enter the 6-digit code into Google Voice to confirm your number. Keep in mind that you can only have one Google Voice number tied to your actual phone number at once, so if you've used Voice before, you'll have to unlink your account from your previous number. Once you're done setting up your voice number, you can use both the web client and Google's Voice app on iOS and Android to place calls from your secondary number. When you're finished with your phone number, you can quickly delete it by heading back into the settings menu of your Google Voice and selecting Delete from the list of options. If you like this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering Google Apps and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.